Let's go back to Natasha to talk about the snow. My very unscientific Twitter poll says that 65% of people want the snow. 35% say no, we don't need anything else on top of what we're already doing.
I voted, and I voted for snow.
Okay.
I did, but I will still give you my unbiased opinion when it comes to the forecast, even if I want the snow here. So right now we're seeing a few question marks still lingering over the forecast. Of course, we're getting closer to event time. When could we see the biggest impacts? Let's get into it. Here's a nice view of Mount Hood. Boy, it'd be great to be up there today, but the temperatures up there have been rather chilly. Last night we were in the teens. Mostly sunny skies will continue for us through this evening as we get to tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to start off with a little bit of fog, freezing conditions as well, and then some of the coldest temperatures still on the way for us at the end of the week. We're definitely tracking where we might get this next area of low pressure to pop up, and depending on that track, we'll determine who gets the snow and who doesn't. Ridgefield, 45 right now. You can see the roads are nice and dry. Had a lot of fog here this morning, even going up towards Longview and Kalama. There's still some fog lingering up that direction. We can expect more of that tomorrow morning because we are overall going to be having another clear night. So we're looking ahead to temperatures aloft. We want to know, is the cold air starting to move in? And indeed, we have been seeing signs of that, and we continue to see signs of that as well. That Arctic air is what we're tapping into, which is why we're talking about the coldest temperatures of the season. So this will be pushing in from the east and then moving to the south and to the southwest. Now, it's not going to stay with us forever. That's the good news. As we get to the weekend, we'll still have some nice cold air over us on Saturday, but by Sunday, it's starting to regress and then move back out to the northeast. So how about those temperatures? Tomorrow, your temperatures certainly, once again, right down there in the freezing range, up and down the valley, even over to the coast towards Tillamook. Florence, you're at 35. The Dalles, 30 degrees. Central Oregon, you'll be in the upper 20s. Now, as we get on through Wednesday afternoon, clouds are starting to increase, and the chance of even seeing a few sprinkles is also increasing. Notice a big jump in your temperatures. Now we're approaching the upper 40s, so at this point you might be thinking there's no way you're going to see snow, and we're not expecting it on Wednesday, but Thursday is a different story. So as we get to Thursday morning, right around 9 o'clock, still freezing. Notice Salem, you're at 37, Corvallis at 41, but as you go north, you get nice and cold, and certainly east of the Cascades as well, you'll be in the upper 20s. Here we go Thursday afternoon, and this is going to be a critical time period. Look at your temperature differences at this point in the day. You're in the upper 30s as you go south. Eugene, though, almost 50 degrees. So as we look at Portland, 31. Now, we could initially see rain turn over, possibly even to freezing rain or sleet, and then eventually turn over to snow. That is one possible scenario. So let's talk about timing overall. So once again, tomorrow, early in the morning, some fog clearing, and then for the afternoon, seeing our first chance to get some sprinkles. Again, this is a very light variety. This is not the big impact that we're talking about. This is tomorrow, right around 4:30 in the afternoon. Notice we have plenty of snow falling for the Cascades. Still seeing that divide up and down I-5 where it's just going to be simply too warm. As we get to Thursday, this is Thursday right around 11, 12 o'clock. Now we're starting to see perhaps a little bit of a mix going on for the lower elevations. But notice as you go towards Salem and Corvallis, once again, seeing temperatures simply too warm to actually get any snow to fall. But look at the gorge. The gorge, we're looking at some pretty decent impacts. We could be talking about several inches of snow initially on Thursday. As we roll into Thursday night and Friday morning, this is going to be another critical time period where some of the strongest winds have been blowing for most of the day. We're nice and cold right over the metro areas with access to the gorge have the best chance of perhaps seeing some accumulating snow. Again, still many details to mull over, and we'll go into those details of the gorge, what to expect for the mountains if you're doing any traveling. We'll have all those answers for you coming up all the way until 6:30 tonight.